Hi friends, recently most of other state customers asking for ePro 17 demo in English. So this video for that customers. Already I posted settings video in Tamil language. So first of all you need to go top of the software options, then you need to set your printer setup. There is second option, printer setup. Just click on that option. There is profile manager showing A4, off A4, L8050 PVC, maxi, top and bottom maxi, Evalis. Okay, first of all you need to update your printer driver settings. So there is help option in top of the software. Just click on it, and second option, just click on it, update settings. There is 3 enable and disable options provided. Just click on the third option, printer settings. Then you will see the pop-up message, only new profiles will be added, existing customers. So then finally you click update selected. Within few seconds your printer driver settings updated, then also profiles added in main option. Here the pop-up message, just you click on OK. Then you again click on options, then go to printer setup. If you are using A4 paper single side, then you can select A4. Then if you are using A4 double side sheet, that means synthetic sheet. Photo sheet means A4 sheet. If you are using synthetic sheet, just click on A410. So first you need to understand the settings. If you are using L80 PVC, that means tray printer. At a time you can print 2 PVC cards. The type of printers you can select L8050 new model. Then if you are using Evalis model data card printer, Zebra, then other card printers CR80 size. So you need to select Evalis. If you are using maxi sheet, photo sheet, front side only, click on top and bottom maxi. So here the profile manager. Okay, first of all you need to update your settings. That option is provided in help option. You first finish the settings, then you can select your profile. For example, most of the customers asking for maxi settings. If you are using Epson L3110, you can select this option. If you are using Canon 3010, you can select this option, or Epson printer models final option. So for demo purpose I will select this option, maxi Epson printer. Then you will need to select your printer model. So you just click on the down arrow click. You can visible your printers connected with your system. So I am selected my printer. Finally you need to click on save option, so that only you will able to save the settings. Okay, second thing is here another printer profile selecting option. So I am selecting maxi Epson printer. So settings enabled. Second thing is you need to setting your printer setting in your profile, that your own printer settings. For example, you need to go control panel, just open on it. Within few seconds control panel open. Then you click on view devices and printers. That option is below hardware and sound option. So I am selecting that option. Then your printer profile settings will be shown. So I am go to printer and scanners option. Then you need to go printing preference. For Windows 7, Windows 10 users, just right click on the printer option, you will able to see that menus. So I am just click on printing preference, then I am go to properties. So second thing is you need to select your paper size. Okay, if you are using A4 paper, then you need to click A4. If you are using maxi sheet, you need to select 6x4. So search in your printer settings and select them. Finally you need to click apply, then click OK. So that only you will able to take proper printing. So first setting is you need to set your software, and the second thing is you need to set your printer also. So this is the option. Other photo setting is brightness contrast options here provided. So first you need to upload a document. So I am added, and you need to enter the password. Here card loaded, then you need to click that option. Here brightness contrast you can able to adjust. So simple settings. If you not want to take print with border, just click Aadhaar setup, then go to general option. Here the border changing option. Finally click save and apply. So this is the easy settings. Also printing quality, DPI also provided. Before uploading a document, you need to set DPI option. Also providing print preview. Print preview also provided. So follow the settings mentioned in this video. Don't skip any parts of the video. This video is very helpful to other state customers. I hope you. Thank you for watching.